unboxing here for you today. I already opened these. Got a 1 ounce Pan American silver and a Come and Take It silver ounce from Molin Labe. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's pretty cool, pretty nice. Got a Maple Leaf, I already had that though. And I got this today as well. My first American Eagle. I just started collecting silver and gold. I got these the other day. I think they might be fake, but well, I thought they might be fake, but now I don't know. Could be wrong about that. Yeah, if you want to look at these, check out my other video. But I got this today. It's an Isle of the Man 1/10 ounce coin. I think this is the Tonkinese cats. I thought that was pretty cool. Alright, now here goes the big box. Mex. Very beautiful. I really like the service from AppMex. I think I'm going to buy from them from now on. It's super fast. Great service. Well, they gave me something to put my coins in, I think. Got my first 1 ounce gold bar right here. I like the Dragon series. I just like how they look. That is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. This is my first ounce right here. I'm super happy. I actually just started buying gold and silver like last week, to tell you the truth. And I got these right here. I'm gonna set the camera down for a second. It's pretty hard to open. There we go. That's beautiful. I got 10 of these Mint Direct Maple Leaves. Oh, that's really nice. I like that. That is beautiful. So my collection is pretty good considering I just started last week. Alright. Wow, that's actually really nice. I got a couple other things coming in the mail too, so might do another video when I get that stuff. Oh, that's nice. Alright, have a nice day, guys.